Craving something hot and sweet? You are in the right place. Hi friends, today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate melt in your mouth Gulab Jamun. These are perfectly soft, syrupy, and so easy to make. Let's dive in. Here are your ingredients. Khoya mava, 1 kilogram. Sugar, 500 grams. Rava, 50 grams. All-purpose flour or maida, 50 grams. Elaichi cardamom powder and milk. Start with fresh khoya, a pinch of elaichi, maida, and suji. Add a splash of milk to bring it together into a soft, smooth dough. Mix it gently. Don't overwork it. We want these light and airy. Combine into a soft dough. Look at that perfect texture. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes before rolling, so the suji can work its magic.
A few moments later.
Once the dough has rested, it looks like this. So shiny. Divide it into small, equal portions. Now, roll them between your palms using very light pressure. The goal? A perfectly smooth surface with zero cracks. This ensures they won't break apart when they hit the oil. Now for the hot part. Drop them into medium-low oil. You don't want the oil too hot, or they'll brown on the outside and stay raw inside. Keep them moving gently. Watch as they grow in size and turn into this gorgeous, deep golden brown. Look at that color. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's make syrup while our jamuns are frying. Add 1 cup water and sugar to the pan. Boil it for about 5 minutes until it's sticky. We don't want a thick thread, just a light, like this consistency, so the jamuns can drink it up. While they are still hot, drop them straight into your warm sugar syrup. This is where they soak up all that sweetness. Let them bathe for at least 2 hours. Patience is the secret ingredient here. And there you have it. Gorgeous, homemade gulab jamuns that are truly hot and sweet. Look at that texture. They are incredibly soft, juicy, and soaked to the very center. No cracks, no hard centers, just pure, melt in your mouth perfection. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Hott and Sweett for more delicious treats. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out. Happy cooking, friends!